So I've been working on the MX-5 and put in a battery isolator switch, and I came up with this idea of an easy place, which is right in front of the seat, and still have quite a bit of adjustment if I need to. And with stealth mode I've just jammed a little black sock over the top of it, so it doesn't look quite as obvious, and keeps it tidy and out of sight, and it's still easily usable. So what I found was that in the back of the MX-5 there's a natural hole, goes straight through to the boot without having to drill any holes. So you run the cable straight under the seat, straight to the boot, straight through the back, straight to your battery terminal. Dead simple. I can jump in, it's way from your feet, it's right there within hand reach. And under here you just want to make sure there's no paint on both sides so that your earth is good. So you got one cable, which is your earth. Always use your earth cable from the battery to the isolator, and the other terminal just goes to your earth bar, and then your earth bar is to the earth of the car, and this is where you want to make sure there's no paint underneath and it's a good earth. Otherwise you can go from this earth straight to the body work, but for me it was drilling another hole, sticking another bolt in, and this works fine. I turn it on, power's on. Power's on, turn it off, she's dead. Turn it on. Beautiful. Battery isolator. I was thinking about sticking it between the back of the seat, locating it somewhere on the dash, but this turns out to be a perfect spot. One big bar, couple of brackets, decent piece of nice solder joint here. Job done.